Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start our fifth type of factorization, which is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Students, in this type of factorization we will use two formulas side by side. Firstly, we will use, as you can see that there we have a formula a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. If we utilize our plus sign, then we have a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, and if we utilize our minus sign, then we have a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Firstly, we will close the formula by using these two formulas. Then we will use our third formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You are all familiar with these three formulas, but in these type of factorization we will use these formulas in each question. Now students, let's start our exercise number 6.6. Now students, here is our exercise number 6.6. Our question statement is factorize. Here is our question number 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Our first three terms makes a complete square, so we will build up the square of first term and our third term, and we enclosed our formula by using our given formula. Then here you can see that we will write a square plus 2ab plus b square within a bracket, then we will write minus c square as it is. As you can see that we will build up the square of first and third term. Here is a square of first term, a whole square, b whole square. Then we will write our midterm as it is, plus 2 of formula first term into second term, minus a square will write as it is. As you can see that we have two terms having square on them and having plus in between them, so we will use our formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. When we closed our formula, we will write our first term a and third term b, then in between them we will write sign which is with of formula 2. Here we will write a plus b whole square and minus, we will build up the square of c, so we will write here c whole square. Now we have two terms having square on them and having minus in between them, so we will use our second formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will write a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. As you can see that we will write these two terms firstly with having plus sign, then secondly with having minus sign. So this is our answer. Our second question is a square plus 6ab plus 9b square minus 16c square. First we build up the square of first three terms given to us. A square is a square of a, 9b square is a square of 3b whole square. Then we will write plus because here we have plus sign, 2 of formula, then we will write our first term a, then second term 3b. Minus 16c square will write as it is. Now we have two terms having square on them and having plus in between the third term, so we will write the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will write our first term a and our third term 3b, then we will write plus sign in between them and a whole square, and minus will write as it is 16 c square is equal to 4c whole square. Now we will use our second formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will write these two terms firstly with having plus sign, then we have minus sign, a plus 3b plus 4c, a plus 3b minus. Here is our question number 3, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 9 a square b square. Students, in this question they gave us the square amounts firstly, then the third amount is our midterm. So we will build up the formula a whole square plus b whole square plus 2ab, then minus 9 a square b square will write as it is. We enclose the formula by using a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. When we close it, we got a plus b whole square minus 3ab whole square, because here we have 9 a square b square which is a square of 3ab. Now we will use our second formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We will write these two terms firstly with having plus sign, then having minus sign. So we will write a plus b plus 3ab, a plus b minus 3b. So students, this is our answer. Here we have question number 4, x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9x square y square. Firstly, we will build up the square of first three terms given to us. Here is x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. Now students, as you can see that x square is a square of x, 4y square is a square of 2y, and we will write midterm having minus and because here we have minus and 2 is a formula, then we will write our first term and here is our second term. Now students, minus 9 x square y square will write as it is. Here we have two terms having minus sign with the mid term, so we will use our formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will close the formula. First we'll write our first term x, then we will write our third term 2y. Here we have minus, so we will write minus in between the both terms, and here is a whole square formed. Then minus 3xy whole square, because here we have 9x square y square. As you can see that 9 is a square of 3, x square is a square of x, and y square is a square of y. Now we will use our second formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We will write our first two terms given to us with plus, then with minus. Now we will write x minus 2y plus 3xy and x minus 2y minus 3xy. This is our answer. Now students, here we have question number 5. 9a square minus 6ab plus b square minus 16c square. Firstly, we build up the squares of first three digits and enclose our formula. Here we have 3a whole square, then we have b whole square. Here we have minus 2 of formula, then we will write our first term 3a, then we will write our second term b. Now minus 16c square will write as it is. We have two terms having minus sign in between the two terms, so we will use our formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. When we enclose our formula, we will write our first term and our third term with having minus sign in between them and a whole square. So we will write 3a minus b whole square minus 4c square, because here we have 16c square. Now we will use our formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Firstly, we will write both terms having with plus sign, then having with minus sign. 3a minus b plus 4c into 3a minus b minus 4c. This is our answer. I hope students you understand all this question. Do practice the question and take care.